So friends, in Vedic astrology, the only house and the only house lord which can create problems in our life is the 8th house. That means 8th lord, wherever it goes, wherever it sits, it can create uncertainty. It can make the matters of that house filled with scandals and unpredictable events. So now comes the question that what could be the best placement of the 8th lord in your chart? So guys, again, I will not debate what is written in the classics, but based on my own personal finding and based on my client consultation experience, the best placement of 8th lord is going to be if it is placed in the equally problem causing malefic or the dushtana bhava. So let's say for example, if 8th house lord is placed in the 8th house in itself, that means it will curb, it will suppress all the uncertainty of that house in there only. Rather, it can give you rise in the sadhana, in the research as well. 8th lord being placed in the 6th house, 8th lord being placed in the 12th house, it will actually kind of create a Vipreet Raj Yoga kind of situation where it will be good for you. Even in the face of any problems, in uncertainty, you will be able to extract a good opportunity for you. But like the way we say that 8th lord is not a good planet. So even if 8th lord is going to be placed somewhere else, and even if it is exalted, it will still create problem. So in one situation, we have 8th lord being placed in the equally malefic dushtana bhava, where the situation will look troublesome, but eventually you will be able to end up taking a best deal for yourself compared to 8th lord being exalted somewhere else. The situation look too good, but eventually end up causing trouble for you. So the best placement of 8th lord as per me is if it is going to be placed in the 8th house in itself, or in the 6th house, or in the 12th house.